She retrieved her 9mm pistol and called 911.
What are you doing?
Christine says when the woman reached into her window, it felt like a scene right out of The Walking Dead.
When the zombies are coming in and you see them reaching through the windows and stuff, that's what it felt like.
She was only seconds away from pulling the trigger when police got there.
It was a very scary situation because I'm having to think of somebody else's life in this situation in order to protect my own.
The police calmed down the intruder, who was clearly confused.
Hi.
Hi.
Do you live here?
No, I don't.
So why are you banging on the door?
Because my friend was there.
Police arrested Hannah Nakagawa, and you'll never guess who she turned out to be, a first-grade teacher. Here's where the story takes an even stranger turn. The next day, a police chaplain paid Christine a visit. She says it wasn't to comfort her, but to introduce himself as the intruder's dad.
Saying, I'm the father of, and as soon as he got that out, I screamed no. I slammed the door saying, you shouldn't be here.
I spoke to Lieutenant Mark Hudson, who says police have launched an internal investigation. The fact that the chaplain even went there, doesn't that seem inappropriate?
We'll determine, the appropriateness of it and make a determination internally if some disciplinary action comes from it.
The intruder was cited for a misdemeanor vandalism charge, but authorities say they are considering charging her with attempted burglary and being under the influence of alcohol.
In suburban Northmead, a grey Mazda pulls up, a man gets out and starts scoping. Through the gate and straight to the front door, this uninvited guest is about to make a big mistake.
He picked the wrong house, poor bastard.
Knocking to see if anyone's home, he unknowingly pushes a state-of-the-art doorbell linked to an app on the homeowner's smartphone. As he peers through the windows and tries forcing the door, homeowner Tristan Baker, who's kilometres away at work, answers online.
Hello.
Spooked by Tristan's voice, the man takes off.
Wrong house, hello. Yeah, no, it's wrong house, sorry.
I initially didn't realise the severity because it just happened so quick. He was gone in seconds.
Upstairs asleep, Tristan's wife Chrissy and their 2-year-old daughter. Curious after the bizarre encounter, the couple reviewed their sophisticated surveillance system and were shocked by what it showed.
As soon as the police officers saw the footage, they said, no, this guy was sinister from the moment he walked in.
If we didn't have surveillance, it would have been gone undetected, and who knows, or he would have gotten in.
Chrissy and Tristan only installed this new doorbell system just days before their unwelcome visitor. For just a couple of $100, as far as they're concerned, it's well and truly paid for itself. After 2GB's Ray Hadley broke the story this morning and coverage on 9 News, a breakthrough. Police arresting and questioning a man over the incident. Tim Davies.
Hey, my mom said I could sleep at your house, but you aren't answering your phone or your Snapchat or your Instagram, so I'll just wait here until then. Open up, sweetie. I made pie. Looks like they're delivering something. I'm going to litter on your front porch. Apple. I'm a pizza. Please kill me. Abracadabra. Alakazam. Baby killets. On the pizza, on the pizza, boo! Wendy's Baconator. Review. Time.
Come on, Thomas. Thomas, go. Go, Thomas. Go. Go, Thomas. Go. Go, Thomas. Go. I got him.
Cat review. 10 out of 10. Christmas donuts. Donut review time. The fastest gun in the West. Howdy. Want to buy some earbuds? Little carousel. Wow, it's a real life carousel. Wow. Oh boy. No, it's not. No, it's not. You're still on my porch. No, it's not a real Ferris wheel. You thought. French fry. Yum. I drink too much Sprite, I think. Sometimes I wish I could just stop time. Life is moving too fast, you know. Other times I wish I could skip time. You know, leave certain periods of my life behind as fast as possible. Check it out. It's a little stuffed Garfield with a little Santa hat.
Laughing, crying emoji.
Shut up!
Hello, Dad.
Is anybody? Yeah?
Yeah, do us a favour. I've set up the eye scanner thing on it. Will you just try and scan your eyes, see if it lets you in? Try other one. Yeah, just cover your nose, because it's picking up your nose. Hang on, cover your nose.
You saying I've got a big nose?
No. Just try shutting one eye. The other one. Just step back a bit. Try shut both eyes. Right, let go of your nose.
You're taking the mickey out of me now.
Meow, meow, meow. Merry Christmas. I got you some ankle weights. Yay! Christmas. Hello? Moon cheese, made with real moon. New sunglasses, check. Hello? Do you like them? Hello? Oh my god, I just took this kid's nose. Oh my god. Wait, you still have your nose though. Onion. That party mix hit different on a crisp Tuesday afternoon. Peanut. Popeyes. Fanta. Shopping time. Spoon, 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 spoon. This is Bingus. Everybody say hi, Bingus. Time to brush your teeth. Unfortunately, the only time we can appreciate the good moments, our childhood memories, nostalgia, is when they're finally gone. Check it out, I built a tiny snowman. His name is Gerald. Want a Sprite cranberry? Letter, we just got a letter, we just got a letter. Wonder who it's from. Looks like it's the bank. I'm losing my house. Wear a mask. I have a lot of anxiety right now. You might have a lot of worry, have a lot of pent-up emotion, but you will never have as large of a Spider-Man tattoo collection as me. Beat that. Me drinking the coldest water bottle. That's good. Me drinking regular. Ew, you stink! Hey. Hello, traveler. I come with the big bag. Hey, I'm playing Pokemon Go, and it says there's a really rare Pokemon in your backyard. So, Squirtle, 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 Squirtle. Day 1 of not being allowed to say any swear words. Day 2 of not being allowed to say... Admit it, I sound like Chase Rutherford. I'm a cowboy. I'm a cowboy. Don't tell me otherwise. I'm a cowboy. You think you have a lot of baggage? I'm cursed to carry this book around for the rest of my life. And if I don't, I die. Oh, shit. I'm a pizza. I'm deeply sad.